spacious, versatile, and modular. XE-L is the latest improved model of the 7-axis cabinet from the collaboration between Gilardoni and Ada Solutions. This has been one of our best-selling and most popular products. XE-L, the largest cabinet in the series, is ideal for a wide range of object inspections such as large aluminium or steel components, other materials, large objects with details of a few microns, simultaneous analysis of series of objects. XE-L is capable of inspecting volumes up to 700 mm in diameter and 1200 mm in height, which can be increased upon request. With its large inspection area and LED shielding for protection up to 225 kV, XE-L is Gilardoni's top-performing standard system, which allows inspections of a wide range of objects. Heavy-duty, robust, and reliable. The basic configuration features a 160 kV or 225 kV mini-focus X-ray source. With its modular design, XE-L allows for simultaneous or later addition of a microfocus source for high-resolution analysis of components with details of only a few microns. Anti-scatter focusing is available to eliminate diffuse and scattered radiations. The flat panel for image acquisition is 8 inches or 16 inches. But with the additional X-wide view function, it is possible to enlarge the field of view up to 16 inches even with an 8 inches sensor. The robust 7-axis manipular system uses brushless motors with absolute multi-turn encoders. The control console is designed to be simple and intuitive. A touchscreen monitor controls the X-ray management software, while a second larger monitor displays the images from the analysis software. A third monitor is available upon request to display reference images. The standard configuration features a camera to visualize movement inside the cabinet. Alternatively, 2 windows can be mounted directly on the door. The supplied cutting-edge software is the same on all our systems and features high frame rate, precise measurements, automatic image calibration and adjustment, defect finder, specifically designed filters. Additionally, XE-L can be equipped with the most advanced tomographic analysis and 3D reconstruction software. The quick scan function produces an initial 3-dimensional image in just 20 seconds. Special attention was given to making routine maintenance minimal and simple. Here it is, the XE-L cabinet, spacious, versatile, and modular. Technology made in Italy.